Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? Yakfish Taco here. Another beautiful day, another video. Well, I'm here again, Winchester Bay, crabbing dock. I got some pots. This is the couple days before the end of the year 2021 in Oregon. So I'm gonna use my shellfish license for the one last time. Hopefully I can catch something. I got 3 pots. I got some shad for bait, and I'm gonna sleep in my truck tonight again. And right now it's really comfortable, 47 degrees. Coming from Vancouver up north, it's like 28 degrees this morning. So it's nice and warm out down here in the south. And hopefully tonight the weather will hold up and catch some crab. All I need is a few, just to eat and use my shellfish license one last time. All right, let's go. So I got the 3 pots baited up with shad that I caught in the spring this year. And I got the seagulls all around me. I think they smell the goodies. Shad is good. Hopefully the crab's gonna come. Yeah. Crab dock, that's the place. Let's go. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3 pots. Put them in. Pretty much the end of the dock. So a little further out, hopefully more crabs. Yeah. All right, all 3 pots in the water. According to a few guys, the catch is slow, so I'm not really having a lot of hope. Hopefully I'm just gonna get a few, and so I can eat it tonight and just spend some time out here. Not bad, right? Just it's quiet. Yeah, serenity. I'm gonna try some fishing over here by the jetty while I wait for the crab. I'm gonna let it soak for at least like 3 hours for the first half of the incoming tide. So I got a lot of time to kill. Yeah, see what the jetty looks like. Hey man, looks rough out here. Jeez. Oh wow, look at that eddy tide. Holy moly. Guacamole. Look at that tide. How it rushes out. I don't think that I can get any fish, but oh wow, look at that, the water. It flows. Yeah. Anyone try to get out, crossing the bar, it's not going to be a good day to do that. So maybe I was gonna park right there, stay out of the wind, enjoy my lunch, and wait for the incoming tide. Right now the tide is still going out, so. So no luck today, no fish. The water is super murky and running really fast. I tried an hour, nothing. But I didn't come back empty-handed. I got something else, so let me show you. So I got a few of these. These are called limpets. They're sort of the little cousins of abalone. And rumor has it that you can actually eat it. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna kind of pan fry it on this iron skillet in some butter. You know how butter makes everything taste good. So yeah. Yep, so limpets, actually they're a family of snails. So, you know, like the French, they eat escargot, the snails. So I guess, hey, if the French can eat something with butter and garlic, I might eat some sea snails, limpets. So yeah, let me give it a try while I wait for these crabs. All right, so wash them in a little water. Yeah. Oh yeah, they cling on each other. Some of the dark stuff out. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Steam them inside their own shell. Then I will put some butter in it. Alright, time for the butter. Yeah. And some seasoning. I got my pre-mixed lemon, garlic, onions, ground pepper, salt, everything. Yeah. Oh, I think I should flip them around first, right? Yeah. Let's see. Oh, yeah. A little bit more salt, seasoning. Yummy. All right, taste test. So they're hot. So what you do is that you don't eat the stomach. You only eat the top part, the meat part. So let me get the stomach chopped off. All right, here is the meat right here. All right, escargot from the sea. Let's try it. Really good. Oh yeah, it's a little chewy, but has a little bit of sweetness to it. It's kind of like if you ever had razor clam, it tastes like that. Yeah, it has no foul taste at all. It's really good. Right, folks, so I'm gonna be sleeping in here tonight. I will have no problem keeping warm. I don't need any kind of heaters or heating blanket or electric blanket, anything like that. It's just double sleeping bags, you know, just roughing it. It's fun. Let me finish the rest of them. All right, it's been 4 hours. No, 3 hours. So it's time to check the pots. Nice and calm tonight. All right, you guys, time to go. Wow. Got tiny one. Oh my goodness. 3 here. Nice. 3. We'll measure it. Oh, this one feels a little heavy. Maybe not. Oh, empty. Put it back. This one's too small, for sure. Okay, let's see. Probably is too small as well. One last one. Too small. Okay, so that's a little disappointing. No keepers, but the night's still young. Right now it's only 4 o'clock, so I intended to stay the whole night, sleep in the truck. I'm probably gonna come back around 8 o'clock when it's like high tide to check it. Then I'll put it back in there, and then I'll cook myself dinner and then sleep through the night. Hopefully in the morning, by 8 o'clock in the morning, when it's high tide again, I will have some more crab to take home. Yeah, or for breakfast, like crab egg Benedict. Anybody? And hopefully, yeah, I'm wishful thinking. Okay. All right, so I'm back in my little man cave. I got everything in here to do some cooking. So I'm gonna hang out in here for a few hours, cook some beef, and wait for probably 8 o'clock to pull the pots again. Okay, so this thing should keep me pretty warm in here, as long as I don't get the fire too much. A little bit more avocado oil, and I'm gonna cook some chuck eye steak. So I got some chuck meat that I chopped up the night before. I sort of pre-cooked it a little bit so that it takes less time to cook, and all I have to do is to put in some seasoning and then get them browned up a little bit more, and this will be really good. Yep, something simple. And I got the windows cracked open a little bit so that I got some air in, but right now the stove is keeping me really warm and toasty in here. Okay, so let me try some really brown crispy ones. Maybe this one. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, so I use my secret all-purpose seasoning and get it browned up really good. Really still tender, you know, it's not like chewy. I mean, it's overcooked, but it's kind of like fajitas. Kind of like eating fajitas without all the other stuff, just pure meat. Kind of like a really good moist jerky. Yeah, I like to eat beef this way. It's really good. On my all-purpose seasoning, so get them really well seasoned, salty and spicy. Yeah, it has some chili powder in it too. So what I'm doing is a little, kind of like a Korean barbecue inside the truck. So let me try this one, little golden crispy one. And then what I have here is some lettuce. So I'm gonna wrap it in the lettuce, like that. So it's gonna give it another layer of texture and flavor. Korean barbecue in a truck. Oh yeah. With that lettuce, you wrap in there and give you that extra texture, the crunchiness, and that little more moisture. Yeah, that's why Korean barbecue, they use lettuce to wrap the meat. They put in some like samjang, which is like a fermented bean garlic paste. or kimchi. You can add on to that as you want, just kind of extra flavoring. But you know, since I still have to sleep in here tonight, kimchi and fermented bean garlic paste might not be a good idea. So I just use it. You just use oh man, that pepper. I mean, I just used the plain meat with some seasoning and lettuce, and it worked just fine. Yeah, I'm sure you guys can do whatever you want. If you want to try this recipe, you know, just, you know, maybe some Tabascos or even like ranch or horseradish, they're all gonna work really well. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna dive in and look at that. Yep, I think a little bit of Tabasco would be good too, but hey, I take whatever. This is good enough. So you might ask, why pre-cook the beef? Why not just cook it fresh? Well, if I pre-cook it, it cooks a lot faster, and then also it does not have, you know, render all that kind of you know, bloody water out of the beef when I cook it here. So less splashing, less messy, and then also I get the brown crispy on both sides a lot quicker. So that's why I pre-cooked it. I'm sure everybody do their way differently. I'm sure you know, like just cooking it right here fresh might be a good idea too. So you can try anything. Oh yeah, so dinner's over. Fancy myself a cup of hot tea, and hopefully there's gonna be some crab out there waiting for me in an hour or so. Yeah, dinner was good. Had the meat and the vegetable. That's kind of like the keto and gluten-free paradise. Not that I'm into any of that. I just eat whatever comes along. But yeah, it was good. I'm gonna probably have an apple or a banana later tonight, and then that should be good. And then tomorrow, hopefully I get some crab for breakfast. If not, then it's a fun trip. So we'll check on the crab in a little bit. Okay, right now 34 degrees, but it sure feels like it's below freezing. Right now it's about 9 p.m. just a little bit after high tide. So the murkiness of the water probably has something to do with the slow crabbing. We'll see. I'm gonna pull some right now. Alright guys, so I pulled 3 pots and it's extremely disappointing. Let me show you what happened. First pot, nothing. Second pot, nothing. Third pot, I got 4 tiny ones. Okay, so I'm gonna put more bait in there, and I will let it soak for another 9 hours. So I'm gonna let it soak until tomorrow around 7 a.m. to see what happens. Alright, let's get to work. Good morning. So it's 6 a.m. I plan on pulling the pots at 7, but looks like there's a storm coming in by that time, so I'm gonna act early so to get out of the storm and pull the pots and go home. So hopefully we'll get something. Okay, so these are the 2 that I got. Not too big. The bottom one's a little bigger. This one's just legal. So yeah, somehow didn't turn on the camera, but there was a lot of small ones crawling around, eating up all my baits. Okay, so it's almost 8 o'clock. Well, 7:40. So there's a system rolling in. It's gonna get really stormy, so I better get going. Yeah, I'm hit the road right now. Yeah, I mean, right now with the commercial season, with the commercial season out in the ocean, I think there's a lot of adults legal size crab being caught out there, and then not a lot coming into the bay. So I am just glad what I can get from what the nature willing to provide. So yeah, it's better than nothing, right? Yeah, we got some crab tonight to take home, so still happy. Alright guys, right now it's at 9 a.m. I'm on my way home. It's super stormy. Very different from yesterday when it's like, oh, it's nice and sunny. Got a little mishap there. I got my cameras and I thought I was filming. I think maybe my finger was too frozen, not warm enough to activate the recording. So I thought I was recording, but it did not. So when I got everything all packed up, then I realized I did not record it. But anyway, I got 2 keepers. That's all I have for the entire night. 3 pots. There's a lot of small ones in those pots taking up all the baits, but then I only got 2 keepers. And it's snowing way up north in Portland, so I need to get past that to get back to Vancouver. So I did not want to spend more time here, so that's why I kind of packing up and go. But it was fun, it was a fun trip. Thanks for following along, and the next time when I have another video, when I go on another adventure, I'll make sure I take you guys along. Until then, take care. Bye.